You're almost ready to leave. Now all you need to do is close up. Always remember to cover the machinery with the appropriate covers and clean the smaller instruments so that they are ready to be sterilized the next day.
You should organize your workplace before you leave. You wouldn't want to leave it in a complete mess now, would you? Anyway, I'm ready to leave. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope I was able to teach you a thing or two about being an ophthalmic assistant. But wait, do you think that this is the last of me? I'm afraid not. I'll see you again. Until next time.